In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Linktree style page using Canva. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna head to Canva, and in the search bar, we're gonna type in Linktree. Now, Linktree, as you can see, is a great tool that you can use in order to add information about yourself or your business if you're a content creator. So as you can see, we're gonna see different types of templates. I like this one, so I'm gonna click on customize this template. And now all you have to do is to make it your own. So maybe deleting this image and adding a picture of yourself. And then what you do, so I'm gonna type in just my information. As you know, you can also click on the colors in case you wanna change them. So just step on it and select a different color. So just personalize it, make it your own, and once you're ready, you can simply export it and add it into your own Linktree. That way your Linktree page is going to look more engaging, more different, and you're probably going to get better clients and better results. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.